10 signs you're about to get exactly what you desire.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this Law of Attraction podcast. I am your Miracle Mentor, your Mentor of Light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'm going to share with you today 10 signs that you're about to get exactly what you desire from the universe. So, listen, sit back, fasten your seatbelts, and get ready. First, I do want to thank you for subscribing to us here on YouTube. Be sure and click the bell icon because we go live with Q&A quite often now, and we want to include you. And thank you for subscribing on iTunes and all the other outlets. Number 1, you are steadily moving closer to your dreams. In other words, you've set some dreams for yourself, and at one time, maybe you couldn't see them. Maybe you couldn't believe it. But now you're moving closer, and you can believe it, and you can see it, and you know that these dreams are ready to unfold before you and manifest in your life. Number 2, your instincts are improving. You seem to have this certain kind of instinct that tells you what's the right thing to do, what's the wrong thing to do, what to avoid, people to beware of. You just have this creative instinct that is getting sharper and sharper and sharper. And the closer you get in the direction of your dreams and your goals, the sharper your instinct will become. That's a great one. That's a tool that will last you the rest of your life. High flyers, number 3 is you have shifted your focus from thinking about lack, what I don't have, what I want, what I need, what I'm doing without, to abundance. In other words, your mind is becoming an abundance magnet. And when I say abundance, that could include many things: love, relationships, health, healing, money, prosperity, wealth building, real estate, dreams, cars. I mean, it can include just about anything you want to put in there. And you're thinking about that now instead of what you lack. And that's a big, big, big sign. Number 4, you feel a much greater level of success. You are starting to identify with successful people. You feel more akin to people who have made a lot of money, to people who are doing well in life, than you do to people who are sitting at the bar complaining about the world, bitching about politics. You are a much greater successful person, and you know it, but you also feel this magnetic draw to become even more successful.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
Number 5, depression is a thing of the past. Oh, it feels good. You're no longer living in the world of depression, of doom, of gloom, of dark, dreary days. You are an optimistic manifester. You are a high flyer like a beautiful eagle. And things are just flowing now. And there's no need for depression. There's no need for doubt. There's no need for fear. Number 6, the universe is speaking to you through music, through book titles, through a number of other venues. In other words, you turn on the radio and you hear a song, and it's as if That song is speaking to you. You go through a bookstore or a library, and all of a sudden, there it is, a book title that seems to be speaking to you. You're browsing YouTube, and there it is, a video that seems to be speaking to you. Well, I have good news for you. The universe is speaking to you. Number 7, your physical performance is improving. You're improving in every area of your life physically. I mean, you're getting in better shape, you're building more muscle, you have greater stamina, you want to work longer hours, you feel better about your body, you're getting better and better each and every day. Number 8, you're loving your dreams. Not just living, but you're loving your dreams. You're thinking about your dreams, and they're getting closer. You feel there's more certainty now, but you're falling in love with your dreams. You're falling in love with that new house. You're falling in love with that giant bank account. You're falling in love with more brand new $100 bills in your pocket. You're falling in love with an incredible relationship. And you're just in love with the vibration of abundance and success. Number 9, your relationships are drastically improving. Things are getting better with your wife or your husband. The two of you are in synergy. You're in harmony. You're having better relationships with friends, with in-laws, with relatives, with everyone. Doesn't mean you don't have conflicts from time to time, but it means that you're just so happy. You're just so optimistic about everything flowing into your life that the only thing that matters is getting along and being happy with as many people as you possibly can. Relationships are drastically improving for you. And number 10, you feel more grateful than ever before. I mean, there's not a day that goes by when you are not completely absorbed in gratitude, in feeling grateful, in feeling happy, in feeling wonderful, in feeling excited about your life. You're leaving a legacy. High flyers, listen. Your success is a wonderful thing because it not only helps you. We know you're going to help so many other people. You're going to help your family. You're going to help your children. You're going to help those in need. And that's a wonderful thing. That's an absolutely wonderful thing. And you are filled with gratitude to be able to do that. I'm absolutely expecting only positive, good things flowing into your life without any doubt. I'm absolutely certain. Oh, it's a wonderful day, isn't it? Take a deep breath. Out through the mouth. Keep soaring like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your dreams. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.